Hey level up crew, hey level up crew. I'm just coming to bring y'all a tutorial, y'all, on how to do my eyebrows. Everybody asks me all the time how to do my eyebrows, so let's get into it. What I'm doing right now, you got to lay them down. You can get you some eyebrow soap, but baby, I use regular soap because I ran out of my other soap. So let's get into it. Okay, what I'm doing right now, baby, I got me a black brown eyeliner, and then we're gonna outline our eyebrows. And like I was showing y'all before, I've already did that. I outlined my eyebrows. I'm kind of fading it out to make it kind of look more natural, as you see what I'm doing right here. So let's just pay attention, gang. And I appreciate you all for tuning in. If you ain't following, make sure you follow Level Up, Get Your Bag Up on YouTube and Facebook. So I'm fading it out right now to make it look more natural. Okay, so you see I got the concealer. What you want to do, you can add light at the bottom and more like your skin tone at the top. So I've already did that, and you guys, you see I'm getting into it right here. You see I done did the bottom, and you do one side the same exact way you do the other side. Now I'm showing you to the top. You want to add a little bit more darker depending on your skin tone. I'm a little bit dark. Not that dark, but a little bit dark. So as you see, I've outlined them. Look at them brows. Get into them brows, y'all. Get into them brows. So you want to go ahead and blend it in. As you see, I'm blending it in. I normally wear some eyeshadow, but I haven't did that in a while, so I'm not doing eyeshadow. So I want to make sure it's blended really, really good. Check out your girl eyebrows, baby. Get into it. Get into it. Okay, now you see the finished look with the eyebrows popping, the lips popping. Guys, I appreciate you so much for tuning in. Make sure you follow me on YouTube, Level Up, Get Your Bag Up. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, Level Up, Get Your Bag Up. I'll keep bringing you more videos, guys. See you on the next one.